guys, welcome to today's video. So today is day 23 where we are going to be for the Vlogmas here on my YouTube channel. And also today is episode 20 where we are going to be talking all about eyeliners for my top 5 favorite makeup products. So in 5th place, we have the L'Oreal Flash Cat Eye Eyeliner. Now when I first started doing makeup, I wasn't very confident in doing a wing liner, but this specific eyeliner, it was a felt tip that really helped me because it had a stencil on it and I would do a wing eyeliner with that stencil, and now I have no problem doing eyeliner now, or a wing eyeliner now, and it's just amazing. It was all because of that eyeliner. It was so good. But now I tend to use more pencil eyeliners rather than felt tip ones. I go in between the two sometimes. I guess I haven't found a good enough felt tip eyeliner, so if you have a good felt tip eyeliner, please comment down below because I definitely do want to find a very good eyeliner. Anyway, in 4th place we have the ColourPop Beam Gel Liners. This was actually the first one that I have. I have 3 other shades that were from the ColourPop and Naruto collection. This one was, I think this was the shade either Honeydew. Yeah, it was Honeydew, it was. So yeah, this is in the shade Honeydew. I'm actually wearing it on the waterline right now. It's perfect to just brighten up the waterline. It is so good. I love this. In 3rd place, we have the NYX Epic Wear Waterproof Eye and Body Liquid Liner. I have the shade White. I actually used this specific shade for a 4th of July makeup look, and it is so good. The only thing is, this eyeliner is so hard to take off because it is waterproof. It's really good. I do really like the tip of this eyeliner. It is so nice and fine for that really precise kind of like graphic eyeliner look, or just a regular eyeliner look. In 2nd place, this is a little bit of a newer eyeliner to me that I absolutely love. This is the Makeup by Mario Master Pigment Pro Pencil in Super Black. I also have Perfect Brown. I haven't used this one much as the Perfect Brown one, but I definitely do want to get back into using this shade because I don't have a really nice black eyeliner pencil until I got this one, so I'm gonna start using it again. Okay, in 1st place, this eyeliner has become one of my everyday go-tos because it's so easy to blend out and smudge out, and it's a long wearing eyeliner and it's just amazing. This is the Huda Beauty Long Wear Eye Pencil, or Creamy Coal Long Wear Eye Pencil. I have the shade Very Brown. I'm actually wearing it on the outer part of my eyelash line right now, and it is so amazing. Again, this is another go-to everyday eyeliner. Just amazing. So that was it for today's video. I'm actually going to be skipping this series, my top 5 favorite makeup products series, because tomorrow it's actually Christmas Eve. So tomorrow I'm actually going to be doing a Christmas Eve makeup look. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys tomorrow for Christmas Eve. Bye!